you learn about the credit market yesterday with Sprint?
Well, Sprint, let's just put this into perspective. It's the biggest junk bond issuer in broad indexes. It has more than $30 billion of debt, and it has been looking for a suitor for many, many years. And yesterday it said, oh, by the way, we need to get up to speed with modern technology with 5G for wireless distribution, so we need another $1 billion. And basically, the junk bond investors kind of were a little bit scattered or nervous by this particular issuance because they're adding yet more debt onto this massive pile. And just to give you a sense, their bonds did sell off. So even though you are seeing that tightening in spreads.
Wasn't there more demand? Didn't they want to raise $1 billion and they got 1.5?
They got 1.5, but their bonds did sell off. Their existing bonds did sell off. I want to check the prices right now to see where they closed the day. But to me, that's fascinating because at a certain point, you are getting pushback. You are getting some kind of feeling of discernment from investors, at least on the edges.
Well, are you really? That's the interesting question because Sprint is a company that, let's see, how to put this diplomatically, has not been on a path towards success.
Come on, David,
no, but they've talked about getting in with T-Mobile, and they've got real challenges in their underlying business. Forget for the moment the borrowing of money. They have an underlying business they have to make money on. And there's been a lot of people really thinking it's not sustainable the way they're going.
Right, and they've been lowering prices, right? I mean, you remember the Olympics. You can think about all the ads with how much cheaper it was to switch to Sprint. Well, that cuts into their margins, and they do need investments. I mean, right now, junk-rated telecom companies have a very difficult scenario where they need money, they need capital to build out their infrastructure and bring it up to speed into the modern era, but they aren't able to generate the same kind of income from their clients as they used to be able to.